What's up guys, it's Khalifah, and what I will show you today is simply the review of this Itel phone. Itel A56. It's a bigger phone, you know. It actually have 5.99 IPS full screen, approximately 6.0 IPS full screen with 4000 milliampere battery. It's a big battery, 2.5D edge curve. You can see the edge has 2.5D curve with 16GB ROM and 1GB RAM. And as you can see, the brightness of the screen is 500 CD per meter square, and it is actually working on Android 9.0, you know, per edition. That is the Go edition. It has dual camera, the rear camera and the main camera. So the front camera is actually 5.0 megapixels and the main camera is 8.0 megapixels. It has 8 times function fingerprint, so you can actually see there. It gives you 8 months and 12 months of warranty. You can see, so warranty month is 12 months. You can see the phone here. So here is Itel A56. So powering on the phone, you can see that it comes with a earpiece. So you can see here's the earpiece with the red earpiece. You can see. So, and it comes with a charger also. So the whole thing in this stuff here. So you can see. So as you can see, guys, here's the phone. It has a dual camera, HD camera. So if you go to the settings, you shall go to the about phone. You can see the 6 inches, the battery 4000 milliampere, the camera, CPU is 4 core, and the RAM is 1.00 gigabyte. The storage is 16 gig. And coming with the storage, you actually find out that 5 point something gig will be used, because if you go to the storage and you search, you can see 16 gig, but the available one is the 11.22 gigabyte. You can see, so they have used approximately 5 gig out of your memory space. The RAM here, you can see is 1.00 gigabytes, which is 1 gig, and you can see the one that is free is 551 MB, and so that's the way the whole thing is. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. For more tech videos, subscribe to my channel. Peace out.